was a fisherman, tumbling on the sea, far away from dry land, and it's been a memory, casting out my sweet life with abandonment and love. No ceiling bearing down on me, save the starry sky above with light in my head, you in my arms. Woo! I wish I was the brave man on a hurtling fever train, crashing headlong into the heartland like a cannon in the rain, with the beating of the sleepers, the burning of the coal, counting the towns flashing by me in a night that's full of soul and light in my head, you in my arms. I know I will be loosened from bonds that hold me fast, and the chains all hung around me will fall away